Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a question that every beauty lover has pondered: how to pick the perfect red lipstick for your skin tone. Finding that flawless shade of red can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine walking into a room and feeling confident and empowered, all because you found that perfect pop of color that complements your unique complexion. Let's start by identifying your skin tone. The first step is to determine whether your undertone is warm, cool, or neutral. A quick test: look at the veins on your wrist. If they appear greenish, you likely have warm undertones. If they look bluish, you're probably cool toned. If you see a mix of both, you might be neutral. This is crucial because different reds will resonate differently depending on your undertone. Now let's explore the shades. For warm undertones, think about reds with orange or golden hues. Shades like coral red or brick red can illuminate your skin and add warmth to your overall look. Brands like NARS and MAC offer fantastic options in this range, ensuring you'll find the perfect match. If you have cool undertones, lean towards reds with blue or purple bases. Classic blue reds or berry shades can make your complexion pop and enhance your natural beauty. Consider iconic shades from brands like Revlon and Charlotte Tilbury, which are known for their rich pigmentation and lasting power. For those with neutral undertones, you're in luck. You can play with a wider range of reds. Both warm and cool shades will look great on you. Try a classic red like a true red, or even deeper shades like oxblood. This versatility allows you to experiment and find the perfect shade for any occasion. Application is just as important as the color. Always start with a lip scrub to ensure your lips are smooth. Follow up with a hydrating lip balm. When applying your lipstick, use a lip liner to define your lips and prevent feathering. This extra step helps create a clean and polished look. And here's a pro tip: blot your lips after the first application, then reapply to create a long-lasting finish. For an extra touch, add a clear gloss to the center of your lips to enhance fullness and shine. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to try different shades and finishes until you find what makes you feel beautiful. What's your go-to red lipstick? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic. If you love what we do, why not click that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest beauty tips. We think you'll find the video on screen next incredibly helpful for your beauty goals. Happy lip hunting!